Welcome back to Rock and Rattle Retreat. We're going to do a tour of the inside of the house here, so stay tuned. If this is your first time, we're building an off-grid house, and enjoy what you see. Okay, what we've done since the last tour is plumbing and a little bit of electrical. So plumbing in the bathroom in the loft. We have, of course, the sink, hot water, cold water, toilet, hole in the floor, cold water coming in. And up here we have an actual ceiling of plywood. So the plywood is all put down, and you can see there. So we also have the plates on to protect the electrical and the plumbing on the bottom. And then we have the electrical we put in. So we have the loft lights, and then for the ceiling fans is roll down here, which needs to go up and over to where the ceiling fans are going in. Other than that, that's pretty much what's been done in the loft. We'll cover this in a little bit. Down the stairs, which is the ladder, of course, because the stairs aren't stairs yet. It's a stringer with, I guess you could climb up it, but it's a little bit harder to climb up than having steps, which is not attached. Kitchen. We have the electrical in, the sink, drain, and hot and cold water ready to go. Go back here. Refrigerator's going to be here, so the refrigerator water is in. What else we got? Bathroom coming in here. We have the hot and cold for the sink, along with the drain, the hole in the floor for the toilet, and the toilet water. Over in the corner, we have the hot and cold for the sink that's going in here with the drain. And you can see here, it's all in the wall. So we have our P-trap. We got our vent. On the other side, we have the laundry room, which is we got the hot and the cold for the laundry sink with the drain for the other sink and then the washing machine drain, hot and cold for the washer. And it goes down into the P-trap and out. And then this is going to be the vent. So we're having an in-wall vent, basically. It won't go through the ceiling. So we have the vent and then the hot and the cold coming out of the floor, which runs all of the hot and cold in there. So that is the majority of what has happened here. We do have all the stuff in the basement and crawl space, which is going to have to be another video in its own, because guess what? It's a mess down there. I still got to staple up a lot of the electrical, but the plumbing is basically all done. We still need to put in stuff for the thermostats This thermostat wire for the great room and for the bedroom on the other side. And along with the garage on that side, the mudroom and the bathroom. And that's about it. So this is kind of a short one here. You've already seen me put in the stair stringer. Not much more is going on. We are slowly working on it. And we'll catch you next time. Hopefully, it'll be a little cooler up here. We still got a few trees to take down because they're dead. And that's all we got. So like, comment, subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. And we'll see you later.